Hello guys. As we know, the whole world is facing the corona crisis and India is taking major steps like lockdown, social distancing, etc. The results are extremely good, but apart from this, our economy is falling down rapidly. Due to this, it will be more difficult to close offices and shops for a long time. Sanitization is one of the key to avoid coronavirus to spread. Although many solutions are there in the market, recently a sanitizer tunnel is installed at Delhi in Azadpur wholesale market. It costs around 1.5 lakhs Indian rupees. So it is not possible to install the same system across the country. Team Fabotics have designed a kit which is 100 times cheaper than the existing one. The kit has to be installed at the entry of offices or shops. It can be easily installed at any regular sized door. A sanitizer tunnel consists of 16 to 25 nozzles, which requires a much higher rating pump around 1 HP. We reduce the nozzles to 3 and which lead us to use a 30 to 40 watt pump. By this we have reduced the cost of structure as well as the cost of system. But the person have to follow some set of rules like he or she have to rotate twice in the e-pavitram slowly around 5 to 10 seconds. Cost of manufacturing one kit will be around 2000 Indian rupees. Thank you for watching.